Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix and remove black boxes on desktop icons in Windows 11 and Windows 10. This issue can occur due to a corrupted thumbnail cache or folder display settings. Step 1. Reset folder icon. Right-click on the problematic folder and select Properties. Go to the Customize tab. Under Folder Icons, click Change Icon. Select the default folder icon, the second item in the list. Click OK, then Apply, and finally OK again. Step 2. Clear thumbnail cache via disk cleanup. Open the Start menu, type disk cleanup, and select the result. Select drive C or the drive where Windows is installed, then click OK. Scroll down and check Thumbnails and Temporary Files. Click OK, then select Delete Files. After completing the above steps, restart your PC to check if the issue is resolved. Black box icons on the desktop can usually be fixed by resetting folder icons or clearing the thumbnail cache. If the issue persists, consider restarting your system or checking for Windows updates.